going on, guys? It's your boy Barack. We finally made it to Virginia. If you haven't watched part 1 or 2, I recommend you go back and watch it so this one makes sense. So in about 5 minutes, we're going to be delivering the Porsche Panorama. The Porsche is being delivered right now. Let's do a quick recap of what we got for these deliveries. Alrighty, let's do this. Alright. So this Porsche is being delivered in about 5 minutes. We got the Urus, we got the Macan. Up front we got the GT3. Right here we got the Flying Spur Bentley, BMW i4, and the 2 motorcycles that are all the way up there. Alright, let's get her delivered. Electric, no noise. Another happy customer. All right, now our next delivery are these 2 bikes, that i4 and that Bentley Flying Spur. Currently we're in Virginia. We gotta go all the way to New Jersey, so we're gonna be passing a lot of states. Stay tuned. We had to take a quick detour. I had a pickup in Philly, and we're currently in it. Austin Healey, 1980 something. Piece of shit. Here's a quick walk around of the Austin Healey, whatever it's called. This looks like an Austin Powers car. So we might have a problem. These wheels are too close together for the trip. See what I'm talking about here? One bad move and she's going right in the middle. Nice and slow. And the e-brake doesn't work, so I got to inch up a little bit, put it in gear, and put this on. Oh yeah, that's stressful, or whatever it takes. We got one from the frame going here. We got the other in the frame going here. Got her all strapped up. The back ones are on the frame. The ones on the front are on the control arms. So there. I'm gonna drive a little bit, and I'm gonna have to check on her when I'm on the highway. But right now, look how tight these streets are. Look how tight this is. Look at that. That's definitely gonna hit. I'm gonna go slow. Look at that. Now I gotta make a left up here. Oh man, gotta love it. Damn, you done messed up. We made it. Let's get rid of these 2 bikes and the Bentley and i4. Ugh. Let's do it. 2 of the bikes are off, thank God. One of them, I'm not sure if you could see him. He's trying. Alright, these electric cars, I get them and they already start. There we go. They came with a whole bunch of shit. See, at night you guys can't see anything, so I don't really like to record at night.
You do still go up shit, so with that, especially F1s.
Yeah, no, this F1 is beautiful, man. Shit. Who's this guy?
Leclerc?
Huh? Yeah. Everything's delivered finally. Well, not everything. The 2 vehicles and the 2 bikes. Now we are good to go. Look at that. We got the other company guy right next to me. Say hi. Oh man, look at that. Who would have thought? Not me. Not me. You guys see New York? Got too much light pollution. It's a little foggy. No, you can't see it. It's too far. We finally made it back to HQ. So that Lamborghini that's in that trailer and that GT3 is going in this one. This is our 2-car trailer. So you can see, this is a beautiful opening. You don't even have to climb out the window. You just open the door and you're good to go. And this opens as well. Just open the door and you're out of here. A little winch. Yeah. We are blessed, to say the least. Alright, we can finally record the way we want. Now we're not being rushed. So in order to take this Urus out, we have to lift these ramps up, and these ramps are ran by this. It's all electric. So I'm going to fast forward it. All right. Oh, my hand is tired. That took about a minute and a half. All right, now you can see that's lifted up. Now we have to do the same with this, and then the same with that one over there and make it a ramp. But you also have to be cautious about the top, because when that raises, so does the car. You don't want to hit that. That's why I raise these all the way up. This is the cockpit. Beautiful. Glorified Q8. Urus is over there. It's ready to get loaded. We gotta get this Porsche and this Macan. I think I lost my gloves, but it's late. I'll go to sleep. Hopefully you guys can see the front of this hood. This is what we're working with. That's our clearance. This is why the one on the top goes up. Yeah, that's fine. So now we have to lift these up, the electronic, or the bottom is going to scrape and it'll take the bumper. Now we got these lifted up a little bit. Good enough. It's an SUV. If it was like a little car, like a coupe or a Porsche, Lamborghini, Ferrari, Bugatti, that would definitely hit. So yeah, we're good. I open so many cars, I forget where the key is. And don't be this customer. Look at all this shit that they put in here, man. Look how close I am to the seat, bro. Like to the steering wheel. Last car, let's drop her. Nice. You got a little friend. You better go through the spin cycle, bro. And I will go back on the wall the tire. This is the first touring that I ever driven that was automatic. Get her out. That was a stick. Alright guys, we got the Urus and the GT3 Touring. Let's load her up. I'm gonna try a different camera angle, see if it's good. I didn't think that through. Woo! That was a lot of work. Alright, we got this done. Got everything cleaned. Now we're out of this truck. Let's go to the other truck. We got everything in here. Gotta go get washed. I am tired. Ugh. Let's go home. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Fucking crap. I got crap. Alright, we're good. Good morning, guys. Alright. We're in this car. Oh, I don't want to leave. This car is nice and warm. Now we're going into this car. Into this. Looks like the same, but it's not. This one's a dually. Okay. We gotta deliver the Urus and the GT3. Urus goes to Warwick, New Jersey. GT3 is going to Brewster, New York. So let's see. There's fucking traffic, dude. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's get her done. One down, one more to go. There we go. Last one. So that Porsche Macan, that lady's on vacation, so I will not be dropping that one off. I'd have somebody in the office today. Probably be in California by then. This is what the keys look like for the Lamborghini. Alright, let's get her going. Oh yeah. Alrighty guys, you guys saw the delivery of the GT3 Touring. Porsche Macan will not be delivered by me because she's on vacation. So somebody else will deliver that. That's going to Manhattan. You guys saw the Urus. You guys saw the Porsche Panorama. You guys saw the two bikes. The Bentley Flying Spur. And yeah, we talked about GT3 Touring. So that's pretty much it. Oh, we also picked up the 1980 Henley. Austin Healey? I'm definitely butchering that. But I want to leave you guys with this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.